In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable audio in ShareX Screen Recording FFmpeg setup. If you've ever recorded your screen with ShareX and ended up with silent footage, this walkthrough will get your audio working reliably. We'll use ShareX's built-in FFmpeg support and make sure the correct recorder devices and audio source are selected, so your system sound or microphone is captured cleanly. Start by launching ShareX from your desktop. Once the main window is open, look for Task Settings in the main menu. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the left panel or the top toolbar. Open that to access the deeper recording configuration. Inside Task Settings, navigate to Capture, then choose Screen Recorder. Be sure you're in the Standard Screen Recorder section, not the GIF recorder, because GIFs don't carry audio. This is where ShareX ties into FFmpeg and the recording devices that handle sound. Next, click the Screen Recording Options button. This opens the recording configuration window where we'll set up inputs and formats. At the top, you'll see a section labeled Sources. Here is the key step. Click Install Recorder Devices. ShareX will download and register the components it needs, typically FFmpeg support and virtual capture devices that allow it to grab system audio or your microphone through Windows' Direct Show layer. Follow the prompts on screen. If you're asked to approve a download or allow changes, go ahead and confirm. When the installer finishes, restart ShareX if it suggests it. A quick restart ensures the new devices show up correctly in the lists. Once the devices are installed, you still need to tell ShareX which one to use for audio. Reopen the screen recording options so you're back in the same configuration window. Find the audio source drop-down menu. Click it and select the device you want to capture. If you want system sound, like games or videos from your speakers, choose the option that represents your system or virtual audio capture device. If you want your voice, pick your microphone by its exact name. If you see multiple entries, match the one you normally use in Windows. When in doubt, selecting the default device is a safe starting point. That's it. With the recorder devices installed and the audio source set, your ShareX screen recordings will include sound. If your volume seems low or you get the wrong input, double-check the device you picked and your Windows sound levels, then try again. You're now ready to record with audio using ShareX and FFmpeg.